Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at this beautiful flower. Let's make it. We are taking a red craft paper here. Cut a triangular shape and fold it like we are doing here. Open it and again fold the paper using your fingers. We are making the petals of the flower. Make more such petals and paste all of them together using glue. And look, it is ready. We are going to make 3 such shapes on green paper as well. Paste all of them together. Put pearls in the center and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful decor crafts. Let's make it. You can also put fairy lights inside it. We are taking a blue craft paper here, paste it in the center. Now we are going to make multiple folds on it. Look how we are doing it. Now we are going to paste it again using double-sided tape like this, and then we are going to cut a shape like this. Make more such shapes and paste all of them one after another like this. Now join it in a circular form and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.